Hi there, I'm Hassan Anjum.
I'm John Wong, and we're here to introduce you to this, the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S4.
In today's world, work never really stops, so we designed the Tab S4 with one simple goal in mind. Get more done wherever you are.
All right, enough setup. Let's get this thing out of the box.
And here it is, the Galaxy Tab S4. Thanks to its slim, light design, the Tab S4 can slip into some pretty small bags, so you can travel light and still get things done. It also comes with its own S Pen right here in the box. Of course, the Tab S4 comes with an adaptive fast charger. The Tab S4 has a sleek design and a large immersive screen. Why did we make the screen so big? Because these days, people are choosing to watch more videos on mobile devices. And size isn't the only update we've made to the Tab S4's display though. We've also narrowed down the bezels and increased the pixel density of the stunning Super AMOLED display. The result is an immersive experience with an amazing picture quality with more vivid details. Of course, picture is only half the entertainment experience. To ensure you also get the best audio, the Tab S4 has 4 powerful speakers. These quad speakers are tuned by AKG. Combine that with Tab S4's Dolby Atmos surround sound, and you have an audio experience that puts you right in the middle of the action.
But where the Tab S4 really sets itself apart, it's when it's time to get things done. We're introducing a new book cover keyboard with a refined, comfortable design so you can type up a storm, just like on a laptop. If you thought the keyboard made your tablet more productive, then you're really gonna like this. For the first time ever on a Samsung tablet, Samsung DeX. Just connect your book cover keyboard, and now you've got a PC-like experience right on your Tab S4. DeX is what makes Tab S4 a true productivity machine. I can even connect a Bluetooth mouse. DeX makes it easy to move between apps and files like a PC, turning your tablet into a true multitasker that can support multiple resizable windows. And since the Tab S4 is built on the defense-grade mobile security platform Samsung Knox, I know my apps and data are protected. Now it's time to get my daily dose of caffeine. Now I just need to drag and drop the image from my gallery into this email. Great, now I'll send it off to Hassan. You can also pull up DeX mode whenever you want. Hello?
Hey, just got your email.
Okay.
The Tab S4 is the perfect companion to manage your smart home. Its intuitive SmartThings dashboard allows you to control your connected devices from just about anywhere. Dude, come on, man! You can also view your favorite photos and everyday information such as the date, time, and weather in one easy-to-access place with the Tab S4's daily board. The Tab S4 features a stunning 10.5-inch 287 pixels per inch Super AMOLED display, storage starting at 64 gigabytes, and expandable microSD up to 400 gigabytes.
Of course, you need a pretty legit battery to take advantage of all that power. And that's why the Tab S4 comes with a 7300 milliamp battery. So whether you're looking for a powerful productivity tool, a versatile entertainment system, or a smart device that takes care of the little things so you can focus on the big things,
The Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 has the tools you need to get more done wherever you are. it.